Hey guys, what's up? This is me Vishnu, and I hope you all are fine. And I just want to welcome all of you in my new channel, which is Vishnu Prasad. And those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, so just subscribe my channel and hit the hit the bell icon that you will be getting notification. And please like my video and share with your friend. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about uh, what is IQ option. What is IQ option? So first, before that, let me explain you my experience with this application and why I'm making this video. That those of you like me who are thinking to invest or try this application or try online trading, so I might help them. I might tell you what this is. So me means a couple of back, a couple week back, when I was thinking that how to make money online or by trading or this. Then I talked with my friend, or I searched in online. I did Google about this, so I found out this IQ option. I thought that this is gonna work out, so I downloaded this application. You can download this application from Play Store, and so I'm not suggesting you to download. I'm just telling you the procedure. I downloaded from Play Store, and I tried. So what this application is, first they give you $10,000 to try to understand how this trading work, how this what this platform is, and how means what the features are. To use all these things, then you can use this application, or you can use this dollar to understand what the trade is. So that's how they give you. Once you understood how this application works, how this platform works, then you have to deposit your real money, which get converted in dollar or whatever. Then you can use this application or try your luck. So I tried. I tried means first time I deposited $10, and I tried all the way. I searched too much about this in YouTube, in Google. I tried all trick. I tried all way that because in this lockdown there is no job, so that's why I thought that if there will be some way that by sitting in home I can earn money, like any one of you, those who are thinking of this. So I'm just telling you the mindset. So I thought that this application will be good. So that's how I tried. So first I tried with $10, and I tried all trick that whenever I was putting, I was always putting $1, and I was trying to take very less less profit. That if you take less profit, the chances of your losing will be very little if you take less profit. But still, no matter what I tried, no matter what trick I tried, no matter even I gave 1 week. I tried this application with that fake $1,000 for 1 week. After 1 week, I thought that okay, now I'm fully ready. I thought that okay, now I'm fully ready that I can invest my real money in this application. So I did that, and the moment, no matter how many how many months or how many days you take training with that fake money, when you deposit your real money, then you feel. Because when I was uploading when I was playing with this fake money, so I was just investing $500, $300 like this. So but when I try to play this IQ option with my real money, then we feel, when we lose even $1, we feel that what the pain is, because $1 is 75 rupees. So that's what the thing is. So I tried all the way. I lost my $10. Then again I tried that. I thought that this another $10 will be lost. I tried, and I lost that another $10 also. So I will say that just by losing $20, I got this experience. This IQ option is just to lose your money, just to destroy your time, everything. So if you have that much money, just try somewhere else. Don't invest in this IQ option. It's just a waste of time. It's just a waste of money. It's just a waste of everything. So that's all. And all I'm gonna say that those of you, because I believe that in this world there are two kind of person. One who get experienced by someone else's mistake, and one who thinking that no matter what they are saying, I will try myself. So those of you who have too much money, that those who are too much stubborn like me, they are thinking that I will try, then if I get lost, then I will leave. Then for those people, I will just say that just try with $10. Don't invest more than $10. If you have really future, if you think that you can make money, If you lose, just try all the way by putting $1. Don't invest or don't try to play this application ever more than $1. Just try with $1, and if you lose all your $10, then just leave this trading and just delete this application. I believe by losing 800 rupees, eventually it becomes 750. So by losing just 800 rupees, if you get lesson that no, we shouldn't try in this application. So I don't think so that it's a bad deal. It's a good deal, because at least you won't have. If you just heard from me that you don't use this application and you didn't use, then you might feel regret in future that I wish I had tried. Wish I could have made my future in this. So rather than feeling regret, I would say if you just wanna try, then just try with $10, and you will see what the thing is. But I will personally recommend you to not try this application ever. This is just a fake. This is just a waste of time and waste of money. Don't try this application. Don't invest in this. That's all I wanna say. So, but still, best of luck. And those of you who haven't subscribed channel, just subscribe my channel, and just share my video with your friend. That I will, and please support me. Till then, take care.